Today I groomed this Pomchi named Sky. This dog breed is a cross between a Pomeranian and a Chihuahua. Pomchis are known for being social, but they can also be a bit anxious. Sky was a bit anxious when he first walked through the door, but after a few minutes he got used to me again. Because Sky is a long-haired dog, I use shampoo that contains conditioner. I use some balsam to get his coat extra soft. To spread the balsam over his coat, I use a brush. As I said already a few times, it's very important the coat is completely dry to avoid hot spots or skin irritation. I shave in between his paws. I clip his nails. I cut his paws nice and round. Don't forget his heels. I trim his cheeks nice and round. And I will show you completely how I trim his left cheek. Here you can see the difference after I'm done with his left cheek and how it was before. Last part, taking care of his belly hair. Finish it off with perfume. And that's it. Sky goes home with a happy tail.